all weekend volunteering, and I've had to stop and relieve my back, but I literally feel like I'm walking on a cloud now. Literally, like, not exaggerating. It's all the tension is gone. Like, I literally feel like my postures, I feel taller. Wow, awesome.
Great, I feel energized, I just feel limber. Yeah, 2 10-minute sessions, and you know what? Knowing that that pain's not there gives me that freedom and the confidence just to be more mobile, not worrying, oh, am I gonna hurt myself? Is it gonna hurt me? And it's so freeing, you know? It's liberating. I think it's amazing.